In this video, I show you how to create a Gmail account. First, open your web browser. Go to search bar and type Gmail. Then search it. I click on this link mail.google.com. You can see this after clicking on create account for my personal use, for my child, and for my work or my business. I choose for my personal use. Now type on your first name and last name. Then enter your birthday and gender. After entering birthday and gender, I click on next. You can choose an email address that they suggest, or you can create a new one. So I create a new one. tutorial.learn101. After choose your email address and click on the next. Now you need to create a strong password. Letters, numbers and symbols should be added to it. You can see the password you typed by clicking on show password. After typing the password, I click on next. If you already have an email address, add it to recovery email. Google can contact you if there are unusual activity in your account or if you get knocked out. But I haven't any other email address, so I skip this. Now you can add a phone number for your Gmail account. Google will use your number only for your account security. It can be skipped, but do not do that. And add the phone number of e-recovery mail. After entering my phone number, I click on the next. Again, I click on next. You can read the privacy and terms. It includes what they do with the data they collect from you. Scroll down and I click on the I agree button. Look, now loading Google Workspace and your Gmail account is ready for use.